Today we're playing Survive the Yacht, okay? But it's already started to sink, okay? I'm sorry. I'm starting to sink now, okay? Guys! Okay? Time to run, okay? Time to run. It's trying to sink this boat out the water. Bro, where should we go? My friend Mango Po and Extreme Stud were playing Dead Wheels together last time, okay? But we are gonna sing. Yeah. I don't know how to survive this. How to survive this game, guys. And I don't have any Robux, but I'm not a noob. I'm a bacon. But wonder who's Step Noob 3. He add friend me when I'm playing Santa Comic in Roblox. What the hell? Who's that? Sorry guys, this is the end. Bye bye.